Good morning, good evening, whenever you are. Please feel welcome to another meeting with experts, to another presentation from the field of the trading psychology. This meeting is being made with the partnership of Global BD Trading proprietary trading company, as usual. Anyway, so what is the topic of today's meeting? 3 key steps to achieve your trading goals. So what we will be talking about is, of course, the ability to achieve the trading goals, and the specific goals that we will be talking about are the long-term goals. Every trader has the long-term goal of making a lot of money in the markets and being rich, being millionaire and stuff like this. Most traders want to trade full-time and quit their jobs and be financially free, financially independent. These are good goals to have as a trader, yet, as you probably know, few traders actually achieve them. So today we will talk about why this happens and how can you improve your ability to achieve your long-term goals. Of course, the second screen is a disclaimer, and we are going to start with a quote from Alexander Elder. He is a renowned coach and trading advisor, and he said, the goals of the successful traders is to make the best trades. Money is secondary. So, quite inspiring, isn't it? From Alexander Elder. So, agenda of today's meeting, what we will be talking about, of course, in the topic of 3 key steps to achieve your trading goals, we will talk about the biggest mistake that people made, why they are important, why long-term planning is important, why long-term goals is important, why achieving the long-term goals is important, and of course then I will share with you the 3 key steps to achieve the trading goals. Long-term goals are something that people in every profession strive to achieve. However, again, if you look around you, you will find that the people who reach their long-term goals are in the minority, right? How can you achieve the long-term trading goals? Well, I hope that this meeting, this presentation will help you with this by giving you like a method that you can use to achieve your trading goals, rather than just talking general about great goals. How great goals are in general. We all know it's good to have big goals and to try and achieve them, but along the way most people get lost or they get busy doing the other things. Of course, I need to remind our quotation that sums up the whole approach towards the psychology of trading and these videos. As you can see, one of the biggest problems you have to overcome as a trader is staying in the market long enough that you understand the market mechanisms and that your psyche, your learned and habitual reactions are no longer your enemy. Please stick with these words in your mind. The main reason that most people don't achieve their long-term goals is because they don't make a plan of action for how to achieve them. Okay, so this is basically the main difference. The primary difference between the newbie trader and a professional is the trading mentality. In fact, the difference between the successful people and those who are still struggling in any field or endeavor is basically the mentality. So if you want to fix your trading, you need to fix your mind. You need to fix your expectations, you need to fix your motivation, you need to improve it, you need to get to know and use it in your everyday trading. So most of the people generally act during the investment hours, during the trading sessions, during the market opens hours, just as they act in the normal everyday life. But this kind of a mind setting is not actually a proper one, because it's quite different. There's a quite difference in everyday life, in everyday habitual reactions, in everyday things that you basically repeat day and day, and you don't even question them. It's so obvious that you do them automatically, and the moment you are an active trader, active investor, it doesn't matter if you are a day trader, a swing trader, or long-term trader, it doesn't matter what market you trading, you need to get rid, you need to fix, you need to improve your habitual reactions that work in the everyday life, but they don't work during the during trading, during investing period of time. So what you need to do, especially when we are talking about the trading goals, is first you need to have a trading goal, and there is a separate video about the trading goals in this playlist, so please refer to this. And then you need to know how to achieve your trading goals. If you don't have a long-term plan, if you don't know what is your plan of action, how to achieve your goal, you will never reach it. So let me just share with you straight on 3 steps, 3 easy steps that I try to make as simple as possible for you to understand how to achieve your trading goals. Step 1: decide exactly what do you want from your trading. Okay? Do you want to be a full-time home-based trader? It's possible with globalbdtrading, proprietary trading company. Do you want to be a mobile? Do you want to be mobile and trade and live anywhere in the world, for example? Or do you just want to supplement your monthly income from your job? Or you want to try and manage the other people's money, or maybe trade for a proprietary firm or company like globalbdtrading. They trade on the American Stock Exchange. All right, you have first got to be clear and honest on what your ultimate trading objective is. Write it down, either in your trading plan, trading diary, or a big blackboard in your trading office or in your trading room, whatever. Just be sure you are 100% clear on what it is, and that you have clearly defined it. All right. So if you have it, if you know what is your ultimate trading goal, let's not get into the details of how to achieve your long-term trading goal. First thing you need to do is to break up your trading goal into pieces, into chunks, into small mini goals. Here it is. That's the big secret of achieving goals in any field. Divide the goal into the pieces, into the chunks. That's right. You have to divide up your long-term goal into like a bite-sized chunks that you can realistically accomplish in about, let's say, 1 month time. I want you to view your overall trading goal in terms of mini goals that you aim to achieve each month. If you complete your mini goals each month, you should check them off as accomplished. This will fuel natural optimism and motivation and build your confidence and discipline in your ability to eventually achieve your primary trading goal. Most traders become so focused on their long-term goal of becoming a pro trader or building their trading account as fast as possible, but they put a little to no effort into actually figuring out how to make it happen in a realistic manner. Most traders get all excited in the beginning, and then they become distracted, they lose patience, they become frustrated or angry, and generally do all the wrong things to achieve their goals, which is the overtrading, risking too much, thinking too much, etc. All of these issues have been addressed already in our playlist. Please refer to it. You will find many of the interesting informations there. Figure out how to achieve your trading goal in a step-by-step approach. Don't aim to be like a professional trader right away, straight on. That's a good long-term goal, but don't make it your primary focus right now, just on the beginning. Focus on the steps you need to take to become a professional trader first, and if you successfully accomplish those steps, you will eventually achieve your goal. So what you have to do is to divide these steps into a short-term goals that you will focus on. You will focus on achieving month by month. A skyscraper is not built in a month. It's built floor by floor, one layer at a time, until the big building is finally finished. This is a good metaphor for how you should approach your trading goals. Doesn't matter what market you trade, doesn't matter what kind of trader you are, day trader, swing trader, long-term trader, hodler of cryptocurrencies, whatever. I have found that the best way to achieve any big goals is to simply divide this goal into little steps or little chunks. Then you focus on each steps as a short-term goal until it is achieved. Eventually, all your short-term goals will add up, and you will build the long-term goal in a methodical manner. So you need to sort of work backwards here by starting with your ultimate trading objective and then dividing up into workable, realistic chunks, or like a mini goals that I said, and you can realistically achieve in a relatively short amount of time. As you achieve your realistic mini goals, it will grow your confidence, and it will in turn reflect in your overall profits, in your overall trading approach, in your overall trading activities, thus bringing you closer to your ultimate trading goal, whatever that might be, step by step, little by little, floor by floor. And for example, here is, as you can see on the screen, here is what like 1 month's mini goals might look like. It's just an example. Of course, yours might be different than this showed on the example. So aim to make like a 3-5 trades a day, no more than that. This mini goal will help you to not overtrade, which is one of the main reasons most traders lose money over the long run. Do like a 15-20 trades a week, no more than that, and risk the same amount of money per trade. You can increase your risk amount as you build your account after, like, I don't know, 6 months or so. Never risk more that you are ready to lose on any one trade. Of course, you need to look for the risk to reward ratio 2-to-1 or better on every trade, and you can only take these trades that meet your trading plan or your guidelines in your trading plan or your trading strategy. Any other trades should be cancelled. Record every trade you take in your trading journal, trading diary, There's a separate video about the trading diary, trading journal, how to make it, how to keep it, how to motivate yourself to fill it up day by day on a regular basis. And one last thing, which might sound kind of stupid and ridiculous, however, it really works over the longer term. Use daily affirmations, or like a meditation techniques, or stress relief techniques, or motivation improvement techniques, in order to improve your trading and improve your overall performance. Right, so the affirmations are and the visualizations of this affirmations, and the other techniques are very helpful to prepare mentally to the trading. Right, so if you keep using it, if you keep repeating it day by day, little by little, it doesn't have to be a long meditation or long affirmation session. It will greatly improve your mentality, your mental setting towards the trading. It doesn't matter if you are day traders, if you are swing trader, intraday trader, whatever. If you just start to do this, you will see how deep impact they might have on your mentality. Obviously, this is just an example of what your 1 month mini goal list might look like. You can add or erase some of its levels, but the point is that you need to do this if you want to accomplish your bigger long-term goal. It's important to physically plan out these goals. Either write it down, type them in your laptop, computer, whatever, and then check them off at each month's end. This will provide you with confidence that you can accomplish small goals, which will build bigger goals, and this cycle will then fuel itself, giving you more confidence and making it more likely you will stick to this routine. Okay, it might even get you towards the habitual everyday behavior, everyday reactions, if you stick to it for a longer period of time. This is the type of the methodical and planned out approach that really defines treating your trading business. Okay, this is treating the trading cryptocurrency, stocks, forex like a business, instead of running and gunning and gambling your money in the markets like most traders do and lose their money at the very end. And the third step is accomplish your trading goal. Please note that trading is different from other professions in that by not doing the right things to achieve your long-term goal, you are probably going to hurt yourself financially and probably emotionally too, as well as those around you. So if you are not going to bite the bullet and chip away at your trading goal in a methodical manner like I've just described in this presentation, you are better off not trading at all. If you want to get in shape and lose fat and build muscle, you need to go to the gym regularly and eat healthier. The more you avoid the gym and eat at McDonald's or whatever, some junk food, the further you get from achieving your goal of being healthier and looking better. It's the little steps that get you what you really want. Simply thinking about being a pro trader, wanting to be one, or telling your friends you are going to be one doesn't really accomplish anything. You can and will accomplish this goal if you break it up into chunks, into little pieces, little mini goals that you can actually accomplish in a time frame that doesn't make you bored or distracted or frustrated. All right? You need to really think about your trading as a process and think about what I'm trying to tell you in these presentations. Okay, you should view your trading like you are running a hedge fund and you are the manager of it. Whether you have a 100 or 1 million in your trading account, it's just all zeros at the end of the day. What separates successful traders from struggling traders is that successful traders follow a method, a routine. They stay disciplined, and they are not always focused on some big and vague goal, rather all smaller and easier to achieve daily, weekly, monthly goals. It is this mindset that it is the factor that differs the successful traders from the beginner traders. All right. The key to trading success is not getting ahead of yourself. What I mean by this is that you have to understand that just because you want to make a lot of money really fast in the markets, trading markets, doesn't mean you should try to. Because most traders try to do this by trading way too much, overtrade, over leverage, risking too much per trade, and generally having the wrong trading mindset. It can be very difficult to employ patience as a trader, as there is a constant temptation to click your mouse, enter a trade, make some fast money, and this can be very rewarding experience for your brain if you get lucky a few times, but it will essentially cement or get your negative trading habit. Will not improve your general trading attitude, but will impose negative trading habit into your brain, into your psyche, into your mental framework, making it more likely you will continue to trade in this manner. You will be like a monkey locked in a cage, continuously pushing the button for the randomly timed treat. You have to approach your trading in a methodical and logical manner. Otherwise, you will basically end up trading like a monkey on a pure evolutionary instincts. And as I have said, it will basically kill your trading account. It will basically remove all of the gains that were made by you, mostly randomly, once during one of the trades. What feels good is usually not the right thing to do as a trader, basically, meaning it's a lot easier to pull the trigger on a totally random trade, okay, than it is to sit down on your hands, plan your monthly goals, and try to stick to it and create a trading routine, disciplined, consecutive approach to trading. Most traders don't have a routine. They don't have a realistically achievable monthly goals, and they don't end up making any money at year's end. So don't be like them. Be different. Follow the other insights from my previous the presentations. There is a presentation about the day trader trading routine, and actually learn from these presentations, from these meetings with an expert, to trade effectively and methodically, because this is the right approach, right mental approach to the long-term success and to achieve your long-term trading goals. Basically, the conclusion is that the mindset is the core foundation of all great businesses. Doesn't matter if you're a trader, investor, and or any other profession. You need to handle the pressure and temptation whilst remaining consistently disciplined. So the ability to stick to a plan and remain almost emotionless whilst carrying out the chosen profession, like trading, managing a company, or being an entrepreneur, is what puts someone on the top on 10% of their field. Thank you very much for listening and watching to this presentation. I hope that it will make you more educated, and you will learn a lot from this short video. If you would like to contact the Global BD Trading proprietary trading company from Poland, you can reach them by the means provided on the screen. So you can book a trading session on a professional trading room in Katowice in Poland. You just have to contact them and propose the date and time when you would like to show up and try to trade like a professionals in the same trading room on the same trading floor that the other professional traders do. Don't hesitate, stay in touch, stay in contact with the Global BD Trading. Maybe the day trading the American stock exchanges is something that will completely suits your trading needs. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope we will meet each other again. Please check the other videos on the playlist, and of course leave the comment, leave some kind of thumbs up if you like this video below the video in the comments section below the video. So happy trading, and I hope I see you guys next time. Bye bye.